We are back. 1965 Panhead. Linkert rebuild.
Linkert. Okay, so we're going to see if this thing will run this time. We did a fork adjustment for neck bearings, so maybe it won't wobble so bad. Shift link adjustment, so the shifter now is in the right spot.
Oh, that was bad too, huh?
Yep. And now we're going to get about the throttle.
You put the cable on?
Okay, the fuel is on. I'm going to put that on.
Yeah, it looks like it's on.
Okay, see what's happening down here.
Yeah, it's working.
Yep. It's going full throttle now. But he's not getting idle.
It's going wide open now.
Well, I rebent the throttle lever again, so I get a little extra movement now. The problem is he's not getting the oil screw. We're not getting the load on the idle. There's a pinch screw right up there. Way up there, so much a pinch screw. There's dark.
Light.
Yeah, I was hoping that's the light blue, but it wasn't working. That doesn't work. It's not the right one. Push wood. This is probably too short.
You hold anything?
Can't get in there because it pulls over on you.
So that was the hardest part.
Didn't do anything. No load on it. Okay, where's my cable at? Moved it that time.
Is it not going wide open or what?
Not closing all the way.
I really don't know, but I was like, I give you content.
Okay, now it's pulling big time.
Seems a little stiff there or what?
I'm definitely getting to pull everything now.
It's not a return spring, you just gotta do it on your own.
There is no return spring. It's a Harley.
And you just gotta twist it back.
Harleys don't have return springs. That screw is definitely
Seems better days.
seen better days. Well, the whole lever, the block is turning up as you're trying to tighten. So instead of being square like that, you're turning like that. You're trying to work the screwdriver's right here. So that
So stay in the slot, huh?
once the screw is worn out, there's nothing to bite onto. That's where we're at right now. Looks like get out of that. So now when the throttle closes, see how it pulls on it?
Yep.
And you go wide open now. And you push on it. Doesn't move anymore.
Nowhere. Yesterday it was going like quarter.
We're only getting 3/4 throttle originally.
Yeah.
I bent the lever in close to the pivot again some more. I moved over about another 50 thou. So the throttle's getting more
It's
and more
going all the way
quick
close
action.
too, though, right?
It's getting a quicker throttle too as we're doing it. Yeah, but we're getting everything we need.
And idle stud. I mean,
So now let's see if it'll actually run.
In gear, in neutral.
Neutral. Why would it be neutral?
Is there a neutral light? I can push the clutch down.
It's not working. See neutral? Oh, some dumbass put it in gear. What's that?
That's safe. Fuel is on.
Choke.
So we got a good starter in it.
We never do that. Fuel's on.
It's gonna go now. Sound like it's ready to fire.
Choked it.
Yep.
There's no fuel in it.
Gotta reset that idle again.
There's no fuel in it.
Yeah. Check the fuel level. May put on reserve. It might be the thing's on empty.
It's on reserve.
It's already on reserve?
You're not getting any fuel flow to the motor. For whatever reason, I don't know what the deal is. Why is it not flowing? Everything's hooked up. I don't know. Get some more idle speed screw and it will help. Well, it still dimly turns now. We're open. That's wrong. So what is wrong? There's no fuel. We're not getting fuel.
Probably empty.
No, we're not getting fuel. That means the float is not doing its job.
Oh, that.
There's no fuel in the motor.
I see. Only run when you choke it, sucking it in.
Well, it's
pretty dry.
In there. It's not sucking what you need to suck. It doesn't do anything. The idle makes your screw. You're not supposed to have your screw up 15 turns, but you keep turning out a lot more. If you put the choke on one notch, it lifts this thing needle up. It makes it go a lot richer. Same as giving it like 5 turns out. That's what one notch does. So
One notch on the choke.
we got this open half a turn there, so it shouldn't fire.
all these little air filters are going to get a little richer probably. Huh?
So it doesn't want to take the throttle. It's got that little hesitation off idle.
But nothing like it had earlier.
Then we're
though.
adjusting the main jet, not the low speed.
Oh, okay. That's one's the main jet. Okay.
So that's 1 turn, 1 1/8.
Out?
Yeah. So it does make a difference.
Yeah, kind of a lot of hesitation.
Probably a
there.
little bit more than 1 1/8. It's probably what it wants. Probably not sure what's doing on the main jet. Takes the throttle a little bit better, but so I'm thinking about 1 1/4 to 1 1/8 is where it wants to be right now. Just by how it's carbureting. The hesitation goes out of it when you do that.
Pretty good, really. Is that got a neutral safety switch on it so it won't start in gear?
Yeah, it was starting.
No, it's good, huh?
You put it in gear. It was in neutral when I work on it.
Yeah.
I don't put bikes in gear. I leave it neutral. He's worried about the thing rolling down the hill, I'm guessing.
That primary case cracks me up.
So it's got a little bit of that hesitation there, which I don't think we had before with the other jet.
Well, it sounds a lot better than it did earlier, though, yesterday, though.
Yeah, but I think it's better so it's on before.
Even earlier when it had a lot of
We'll
hesitation.
go on ride and see if it feels like. It pulls good in gear.
Yeah.
You definitely get something goes. It's a little off.
Police special.
We need to put a bigger, put that bigger jet back in. Don't know. You gotta play around with these things. Figure out what combination of parts works.
1965 Panhead Police Special. Almost all original.
Not much police bike about it anymore.
It used to be, though, right?
Almost all original.
The oil tank's not right.
We changed that.
Why?
Changed the starter too.
The alternator. Oh, you didn't like the stock battery and the oil tank?
Yep. That big ugly thing that sat laying out here, big regulator stuck out here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we got rid of all that crap. Cleaned it up. Take a look at a real bike. All right, that's it for now.